Hey guys, what's up? It's Jeremiah Wheelersburg with Craftsman Home Inspections, your Aurora Home Inspector. So you guys, I've done other clips just like this about foundation issues, so I'm not going to bore you with some of the details. See my other videos about foundation problems and cracks in your foundation, but I just want to draw your attention quickly to reasons why foundations fail. It's always water in most cases. Here is a bent and damaged downspout. On this side of the house is where the foundation has a major through wall crack in multiple areas. That was the rear of the home. This is the front of the home, same side. And this gutter for the drainage system is bent right here. So when water comes down the roof, it's just going to be hitting that gutter and then spilling off next to the foundation. All that to say, something as simple as your gutters being jacked up can ruin your foundation, and the expenses can add up. So take care of those simple things. This is Jeremiah with Craftsman Home Inspections, craftsmancolorado.com, and 720-593-0383.